As a junior developer, sometimes practicing sessions may feel messy. This is often due to lack of structure. Most of the resources feel too generic and it's very hard to find really good mentors. It's not just about watching YouTube tutorials or copy-pasting AI code that you don't really understand, and this usually backfires when it comes to real-world projects. It's about leveraging AI to simplify the haze work and create for you simple, relatable sessions that can help you grow step by step. My name is Baraka and welcome to my channel. I'm not an expert, just a junior developer that is so curious and born in the AI era, documenting my journey step by step. If you're new here, consider subscribing and move along with us. Now let's dive deep. Today, let's talk about Claude. At first, I used ChatGPT for my practicing sessions, but I just found out that Claude is more efficient and better due to its workflow, logic, and structure. I use Claude to spot my HTML and CSS mistakes, but I also tell it to teach me through those mistakes step by step. Like for example, I used to use CSS property, positioning property, and this could often break the layout on the mobile view. And this error could really destroy how people view my websites on their phones. So instead of that, I could tell Claude, identify the errors that are making my layout to break. If possible, break it into a step-by-step course where you can teach me how to fix these errors and also how to do it alone. So based on what you're fixed, give me a small project or a task that I can do to test my knowledge.
And then here is my HTML code, everything that I coded from scratch, from the weather menu to everything. And here's my CSS code. I guess you can see everything, the colors, the border, the font sizes, the margin, the float, everything is here. And guys, I'm being honest with you, I coded everything from scratch without using AI. Just hard head, man. As juniors, this is not really easy, but yeah, we can make it, guys. Yeah, that's my HTML and CSS. So guys, here is how I corrected everything from scratch, everything that was breaking on my computer screen and everything that wasn't looking good. Here's how I fixed it. I guess you can see here have my HTML codes and style.css. I imported it, and here I came and tell, hey, I want you to act as a professional web developer and fix my two HTML and CSS files, highlight the errors and mistakes that are making my layout to break on smaller screens, and make sure you do it while teaching me how to do it the right way, step by step. And I guess here you can see it's saying, great. The core issue, you're using position or absolute positioning and hard-coded pixel values everywhere. This is the number one mistake beginners make. When you write left 750 pixels or bottom 430 pixels, that only works on your screen size, meaning my computer screen. On smaller size or monitor, it breaks. And it has provided everything that I need. I guess you can see everything and more, even more lessons here. Yeah, for me just to follow the positioning, the width, the maximum load, the display, the flex wrap, the box sizing, everything that I always need to add in my projects in order for it to become better. And finally, this is now my fixed layout. Guys, this was looking messy before, but right now I guess you can see how good it's looking, because I guess you can see everything, how it is positioned from the top to the bottom of every single thing. Everything is really organized well. And let me show you the mobile view so that you can see how much AI is really simplifying the hard tasks into simple relatable sessions. I guess you can see the dimensions. Let me choose another phone. I guess you can see this is an iPhone view. I guess you can see everything is pretty arranged well in a mobile view. Everything is very cool and great. I guess here you can see that I'm using the dev tools. Those who don't know them, you just right click and then you inspect in a white gap, and then you'll find the dev tool. They're really nice tools. They help you view how users will see your website, what is breaking, the padding, the box model, and everything. I guess you can see the views. Cool, guys, very cool, just by enhancement and help, strategic help from AI.
So right now we're in a competitive era, and it is important for us to embrace these technologies so we aren't left behind. Now there are countless of technology being launched every single day, and as us junior developers, we are being frustrated because we're just finding out that a tool can generate code faster than you. But it's really crucial that we play around with these tools. It's really important and crucial. Play around with these tools. You can even install them in your IDs or integrated development environments in order to simplify the projects, the works, the tasks, and just use it as your partner. Yeah. I have used a couple of tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Cursor, and Llama, but this is so far the best method for learning front-end development. Even though AI can generate the full website, it is very essential for me to understand everything from scratch in order to become a 10 times more productive junior developer. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next video.